What's up YouTube? So today I'm going to show you a little bit on how to understand an isometric drawing that they give you in the field. As you can see, you have up in the top, you have your material list and the descriptions, and you have your item numbers, and then your quantities of how many bolts, gaskets, and all that's your material you're gonna need, and the sizes. So over here, this is just a rough example so you have an idea of how to read this stuff. So in the corner you have your true north. As you can see, you have your ISO, so it goes south, east, down, west, down, south, down, and west. Or you want to read it backwards: east, up, north, up, east, up, west, and to the north. Now this is where it ties into these little existing dots. That means the existing equipment. There, right there. This is your just general information of what it is, work order, and all that stuff. So for example, let's say you don't know what these numbers are. You want to know what this is and what kind of material this is too. So let's say we're trying to figure out what this is. 8 and 9. So you go over here to your number, 8 and 9. So number 8 was a gasket, 1/16 or an 1/8 thickness, 150. It's a ring type. And then Teflon over here. And then 9, it's a 5/8 stainless steel bolts. And this is the quantity. You're gonna need 32 and 8. So you're gonna need right here, right here, right here, right here. These are all your flanges. That's gonna be all your bolt tips. So then you want to know what this is, what size pipe. So you have 1. Then you come over here to line number 1, right there, and it's a pipe, schedule 10, and this is just the information on the pipe, which is a 304 stainless. This right here should be stenciled on the pipe, so when you go out to look for it, just make sure it has all this information down, like so. Let's see if I get some better lighting for you. So then it's coming, and then these are your lengths, and I'll show you later your takeoffs in another video, but this is just to understand the isometric drawings. So we figured out that these were bolts, 8 and 9. Let's look at 6 and 7. Come over here, 6 and 7. 6 is a 2-inch stub end. This is a flange. Let me see. And this is, stub end flange. And 7, I believe it's a 2-inch regular flange, 150. Stainless steel. Stainless steel. Yeah, 6 to 7. So that's what this is over here, your little flange. So it's coming down to the south. Then right here, it's number 2. Let's figure out what that is. You come over here to the number 2, and it's calling for 7 of them. So it's 90s. Elbow 90, schedule 10. It's a butt weld. Butt weld. So we know that these little dots are butt welds. We'll cover this in another video when I show you. So 90's down. Here's another one, 90. 1 and 2. 1 is your pipe that you need. And then your center to center is 1.5 foot, and then drops down. This right here is the floor penetration. Usually it don't look like this, but they'll try and draw it, and then they'll add the description of what it is. And this is basically all your ISO, how it looks. Here in the bottom, if you don't know what that is, 3. So we'll come over here to the number 3, and it looks like it's a 2 to 3.25 socket weld, 300-pound flange, or not flange, socket weld, outlet. And then you come down here, and then the number 4 and 5. Come here, 4 and 5, so 3/4 size, 3/4 pipe, nipple. That's gonna go right here. And then 4 and 5, let me see, 4. So 5 would be your 3/4 ball valve. And then, so this is your pipe. 4 would be your pipe, and 3 is your sock outlet. So you have your sock outlet, your pipe, and the valve. And then number 10 would be this right here. You come here, and it's your plug, 3/4 plug, 3,000 pound. And there you have it. And I believe the stem is I don't know about the stem. Gotta look into that. I want to say it's pointing to the east. And there you have it. And that's about it. This is like what's tying into what's already out in the field existing. And these are your flanges. And that's a bit of overview of what an ISO looks like and how to understand it. And remember, this is your true north. It's always going to tell you it's either going to be here on this side, it's going to be here on this side.